Hey everybody, welcome back. This is video number 3 on the continuation tutorial of the Celestial Odyssey Mega Mothership palette. So I'm still really trying to do 31 looks with this for the month of October. I think the last video, before that, I said September, but it's for October, not September. Because September is the focus palette of Divine Rose 2, but this month is going to be trying to do 31 beautiful, flavorful, celestial, Odyssey type of looks for you guys. And the main reason why I do these palette focuses because I really want to go more in depth with these palettes to really get a better feel of the color story and stuff like that. Because the Divine Rose 2, I really wasn't feeling very redundant color stories. It's been done, but this one, I mean, it's very, I mean, you got some of your warms, your golds, your blacks, your neutrals, pops of color, and kind of like safe middle tone type of colors. But as usual, don't know what kind of look I want to do. I think I want to play with the greens today, or one green or two greens, don't know. But let me go ahead and prep my eyes and we will be back. All right, so my eyes are prepped and I think they look pretty similar. I mean, I think they're going to be closely related. Eyes are prepped with Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I think during this series I'm about to run out of it, so that's lasted quite a while. I think for the first look, or for the first shadow, I'm going to go in with this lime green, which is called, Jesus, what is it called? Citrine Envy? Citrine Envy. Going in with a flat brush, and I actually really want to see. Ooh, that is actually really nice. Just tapping it in the inner corner and keeping it right to there. That is a beautiful, beautiful color. And I'm keeping it literally like right under my brow bone. That's where I want to keep that. Perfect. Ooh, I love that already. Now next, I'm going to go in with this deeper green, which is going to be Nirvana, I believe. Jesus. 3 over? Yep, Nirvana. Which is like, I mean, teal, maybe? Something? Going on the other side, that's clean. And tapping that right next to it. I mean, this alone would be beautiful as just a one and done shade. Literally, one and done. Like right there, maybe? Perfect, perfect. Then I'm going to take a little bit of a fluffy brush and just really begin to blend this to the tape. Because now, let me do the other side and we will get. All right, so this is where we are, and I am actually really digging this color combination. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just tap it right in the middle a little bit. Perfect. All right, so now, God, I want to go into black, but I mean, I just really want to focus on this palette for now. You know what? We're going to do the brown. We are going to do the brown, stick with the palette, which is Nocturne. And with this one, I'm going to go ahead and go directly into a floofy brush. Start off with the floofy first. Tap off the excess and really begin to just smoke out the edge. Because I already know black would really make it what I want it to do, but not what I want it to do, but really create that look. Just really slowly start building up that corner. Let me go with a liner brush and really start to create that wing, because I want the focus to be on top. All the drama for your mama up on top. And I just love how rich and deep this chocolate brown gets. Then from there, just begin to go ahead and blend out. And I think, in all honesty, I'm just gonna leave it at that. I really want to put black, but I know black is really going to intensify this look, but I just want the focus to be on the greens for this look. I mean, if you want, you could really add those blacks and just begin. Perfect. There we go. Let me go do the other side. And so here we are. Ooh, I really do like that though. With Citrine Envy, Nirvana, and Nocturne. And I am really digging this look. I mean, that chocolate brown just, ooh, gets up there. For the brow highlight, I'm debating if I just want to use a highlighter or something from the palette. You know what? I'm going to go in with, what is it? Solar Flare, which I used in the last video. Even for a highlighter, it's beautiful. With this one, let me go in with kind of like a fluffy-ish brush, and just put that on top, and just slowly pat it in. And I always like to do a brow bone highlight last sometimes, just to tone down the edges at times if I got a little too carried away. Solar Flare. And I think for this look, I'm gonna keep the bottom lash line pretty bare because I want the drama on top. Oh, the Solar Flare is, if she made this into a highlighter, I'm all over it. Actually, I would really love it if Pat McGrath did, what did she do? I know for holiday, she kind of did like a really quick re-release of 2020's holiday collection combined with last year's, what is it, 2022? Was it last year? 2021 and 2020, she released an exclusive, I think a limited time only of those two. I think it was like in January or February of this year. And I would love it if she did this again because these greens are beautiful. Real beautiful. So there is that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face and we will see the final look and see how everything turned out. See you guys. All right, so the base is on. And this is what it's looking like so far. And I'm actually really enjoying this look. Foundation is still Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush Flawless Foundation. But actually I'm mixing two more. I mean, compared to my arm, close enough. 9 Cool with 7.5 Warm is what I'm doing. But for the final touches, I actually want to go back into the Citrine Envy, that lighter green, with a liner brush. And with this, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it right in my inner corner eye. Just to really have that razzle dazzle, smazzle, right along the waterline. There we go. Is that where I wanted? Yep. That is exactly where I wanted that. I'm going in with a smudger brush and just go ahead and just smudge it out to blend it out seamlessly. There we go. That is the final eye look. So let me go and do the rest of my face, do my brows. And I'm going to do the Solar Flare as my highlighter. And for blush today, actually, I'm going to go in with the Duo blush of Paradise Glow. Is that Paradise Glow? Paradise Glow. So I'll see you with the final look. All right, so here is the final look. Yeah, I'm actually really digging these colors. This color combination is actually really, really beautiful. For highlighter, Solar Flare, just so you have that constant flow, and Paradise Glow for blush. And for lips, I actually went old school with Fenty. What is this, Spanked? Yeah, Mademoiselle Spanked lip color. So yeah, actually I think I'm gonna add some gloss from Pat McGrath just in the middle, that Divine, the Rose Divine or whatever it is, the Opulence. So Citrine, Nirvana, and Nocturne with a little bit of Solar Flare. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. Obviously, we still have 28 more looks to go. Try to come up with 28 more looks. I mean, I'm going to do my best to do as many as I can. But I know with a lot of this, a lot of them could be kind of like a one and done shade. I mean, the black one, what is it called? Golden God. Noir Moon, which is this one, could be done as a one and done. I mean, the Nirvana could be done, used as a one and done. The Nocturne. I mean, there's so many colors. I mean, you could even use this as a one and done. What is that one? The Lunar Haze. One and done. I mean, this one and done just with a nice liner. So, a lot more looks to come. And God, these greens are beautiful. I'm not a big fan of green eyeshadows, but the right color done right. I mean, we're growing. We're learning. Exploring. Making sure there's nothing in my teeth. But as usual, head to my Instagram page to see the final edits of this. I mean, this is beautiful. I'm really, really, really loving this. I will see you for look number 4.